I am turning 20 years old. If you see my last video, I spent a lot of time glowing up and getting ready because I am going to Nashville, woo, for my birthday. Me and my mom, we're gonna go on a trip. I think like a 3-day, 4-day trip to Nashville, and we leave tomorrow, and I have yet to pack. Actually, technically, we leave today. It is Thursday, and we're going to be leaving here. I have to be up in 8 hours, okay? So yeah, let's get started on what I need to bring. Okay, here is my suitcase. I made a list of everything that I need to pack because my luck, I will forget like something super important. Okay, in the suitcase, I need 3 to 4 outfits, 2 pajama sets, my brown heels and my black boots, leg warmers, some socks, and other things. So, all right, here is my first outfit. Technically, it's like a 1 and 2 type of thing, this brown dress. I like to turn it into a shirt sometimes. So, and then of course, what I'm wearing with all my outfits are these leg warmers. They're fleece tights, which if you don't have these and you like wearing skirts, you gotta invest. They're like super warm, great for the winter. And people never even know that I'm basically wearing leggings. They always think I'm just wearing tights. So yeah, this is kind of going with all my outfits. And then of course, my leg warmers. These are the shoes. I know I said I'm going to Nashville. Really want to go shopping, and they have all the stores that we don't have here. Like they have a Brandy Melville, and as someone that is like super skinny and tall, Brandy Melville is just a store that I've always wanted to shop at. And I was like, you know what? It's my 20th birthday. I didn't have anything planned, and my town is pretty boring, so why not go on a trip? And here we are. No, I just need to get pajamas is the last thing that's going in my suitcase. So hold on. We're just gonna kind of shove this in here, you know. Okay, here's my backpack. It's got me through some years of high school, and I still have it because people buy new backpacks like every freaking 6 months nowadays, which is kind of strange. But anyways, yeah, let's see. I have a list of everything that I need to pack. A lot of the stuff I'm not gonna be able to pack till tomorrow. But one thing I can pack right now is all my makeup. And so you guys will get to see all of that. So we're gonna start with, I need to pack my foundation, and I wear that good old teary. My blush, which is just an e.l.f. blush. And then I got this for my birthday from Sephora. It's the little Glossier blush, which I didn't think would be my shade, but it actually matches pretty well. So we're just gonna put that in there just to have it, you know, just in case. Powder is actually like, it gets rid of my pores. Okay, I'm kind of I've been using it a lot, but it works so well. My contour stick, it's just CoverGirl. It's a Walmart brand. It works pretty good. We have my Tear lip tint. Next is my skincare, but I'm doing my skincare tomorrow morning, so that's gonna have to wait. When I wash my face, gotta click. And then we're gonna bring some perfume. We have makeup wipes just in case I don't feel like washing my face. And then my mom bought me and her just a toothbrush and some toothpaste. All right, I need to bring my MacBook, a base, and my MacBook charger. And I put that in my backpack. This pink pouch that I need to bring that has like all my computer stuff in it, portable charger, my SD card. I got it from, hello, there you go. I got it from Five Below. And the chain is even a little bow too. Super cute. I have this brightening mask. That's about all I have packed. Super excited. Next time you guys see me, I will be in Nashville.